Is Nodle Cash really an easy way to earn crypto completely passively, or is it a waste of time? My name's Michael, and many viewers have asked me about this app, so I decided to test it myself. And in this Nodle Cash app review, I'll give you an inside look and show the pros and the cons based on my experiences, so you can find out exactly what to expect and whether this is the right opportunity for you or not. So before I log into the app, let's go over the basics of what it is. And as you can see on the website, it is a way to earn crypto while securely powering the decentralized network of the future. That's what they call it anyway. So what does that actually mean? Well, that means that all you have to do is to just download the app, and you can see they have different images, and then you will supposedly earn their own cryptocurrency, the potential value of that, and how you can get it out and all that. We will talk about that later. But all you need to do is basically to just download it, connect via Bluetooth, as you can see, and then you will just connect to the network and you will start earning these Nodle tokens. And I have done it. I'll show you inside in a minute so you can see exactly how it works. But basically, as you can see, you get rewarded when you provide connectivity to devices around you. So how much you can earn will also depend on where you are located and how many other devices are on this network and how it is expanding and things like that. So that's one thing to be aware of, that there's no guarantee you will earn the same as me. You might earn a lot more, you might earn a little bit less. We'll go inside and I'll show you my results so far. But as you can see at the bottom of the website also, it has so far close to 3 million downloads, and it's available on both through the App Store and through Google Play. But let me now log into the app, and then you can see exactly how it works and if it's worth it or not. So I have now logged into the app, and once you sign up, all you basically need to do is just to connect to Bluetooth, and then you can start earning. It kind of scans the area you're in and all this. But as you can see right now, I have not had a lot of success, because I think this is because of the area I live in. Basically, there are not a lot of opportunities. So even though I've had it running for a few weeks or so, I have not actually earned anything yet, and I have moved around also in areas where there are more people and things like that. But again, that is probably because of the country I live in. So this is just to say right away that even though you live in a country where you can download it, they don't say exactly which countries that is, but from what I can see, it's available in a lot of different countries. But even though you can join and you can sign up, there's no guarantee that you will be able to earn yet. This all depends on how this whole network will expand. But all you basically need to do is you have it installed, you have Bluetooth on, the location sharing on, and then you will earn as you move around. And you can connect it to several devices. You just need to go to the settings for that, and then you see there is some wallet settings, and this is where you need to then do a backup of your wallet. Because then when you then install it on a different device, then instead of installing a new one or creating a new account, you can just use your wallet phrase here or code to sign in on a different device, so you can use it on several devices if you want to. There is also a way to earn more, and that is, again, if you go to the settings, you can see there is something called mode. And right now I am, as you can see, in eco mode. And if we click mode, you see there are different options, and eco mode is low earnings, but that is also where your device or your battery won't be drained there. If you go up higher, it will drain your battery more. That is what they say themselves also. Exactly how much more it drains it. Again, this will vary from device to device, but this is just something to be aware of. This is something you can test yourself. You can see, like, does it actually change how much you can earn in your area? Does it drain your battery, like for your specific device and anything like this, things like this? But this is just a good thing to be aware of, that you can play around with this and potentially also earn more by doing this. So definitely you can earn passively, but with ways to earn passively, with mining like this, as they call it, we of course also need to talk about how you can then get the earnings out and what the value of this Nodle crypto you are earning is. So let's do that next. So I just closed down the app, and that's because so far there's not a way to take out what you earn from inside the app. So I can't really show you how to take it out. As it is of recording this video, then what you can do with the Nodle tokens you earn is to send them to other Nodle users. You cannot exchange it yet to other cryptos. It's not listed yet on any of the big exchanges or anything like that. And that also means that you do not yet know what the value will be once it will hopefully launch. And that's the thing with new products like this, where you can mine crypto very easily. It's always a little bit of a gamble. It doesn't take any effort, so that's the great thing, but you don't know if it will ever have a real value or if you will never get any value out of it. The advantage is clearly that you don't have to really do anything once it's installed. Yes, you have to share your location, whether you feel safe about that or not, that is a personal choice. They say that they have a lot of safety. I can't say exactly what it reads and what it shares. You can look into that yourself on the website. I'm not like a technical expert that can see exactly what they share and all that. It's just something to consider. But with new projects, that is where you can fast earn. That's an advantage, but you don't know if you will ever be able to get it out and how much it will be worth. And when it comes to Nodle, I've seen content that was created more than a year ago where it also said like eventually you'll be able to take it out, you'll be able to send it to exchanges, you will get a real value for it, but it hasn't happened yet. I haven't been able to find any information about when it will happen, so it might happen, you know, by the time you watch this, it might be another year, 2, 3 years, it might never happen. I can't say anything about that because they haven't told anything about that, and that's the insecurity of new crypto projects like this. So let's then sum it up and talk about whether this will be worth it or not. So to sum it all up, I think Nodle is an interesting project because in general, I do believe crypto has a really bright future and I love the technology and it is really useful. Exactly when it comes to Nodle, I am not sure yet how it will go. Like personally where I live, I don't really get much out of it. I do use several different like crypto mining apps where you don't really have to do anything. I will also leave a link below to more information about some options that I do use. Because the thing is, as I mentioned, you don't know yet whether it will turn out to be great or not worth anything at all. So when it comes to something like Nodle, I would recommend that you go to the website, read about what it is, read what the project is and what the plans for the project is. If you think it's a great product or project, then you can start using it because then there is a chance that it will succeed and you will also get something out of it. But if you're just doing it for fast cash, then don't just try it because then it's just a gamble. It's only if you believe in the project, then it might long term turn out to give you some value. But if you're just in it for the earnings, then go for apps where you can earn cash here and now or crypto here and now that already pays in cryptos that already have a value. That is what I would recommend. And I will leave links below to some information I have about ways to earn cash instead and also to earn crypto passively. So you can check that out also if you want to use other options instead. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you and gave you an idea about what Nodle offers and whether it's right for you or not. And if it did, then make sure to hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time there's a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.